Welcome to Sri Spoken English. This is Srinivas and this video lesson 66. Hello friends. In this video lesson, I would like to discuss with you the 75 most important prepositions which are used in our daily life. Of course, these 75 prepositions are most important for every competitive exam, especially most important for students. Let us start. So, the first word, suffer. The word suffer comes from preposition should use. We should use the preposition from. Example, I am suffering from fever. She is suffering from headache. So whenever we should use suffer word, the preposition from comes along with that. So the first one, suffer from. Next one, recover from. Example, the police recovered the gold from the thieves. Next preposition, distinct from. Focus on. Next preposition, she focused on the examination. Focus on should become. Next, abstain from. Get rid of. This is most important, friends. Get rid of. Get rid of should be used. Search for. He is searching for job. Search for. For should be used. Accustomed to. Important word. Accustomed to. Wait for. Next preposition. Ninth one. Wait for. For example, wait for a minute. I'm waiting for my friend. Just like we can use many examples with the preposition for. And next, 10th one, obsessed with. Peer at. Next, lead to. Moreover, in the first row, 14th one, approve of. Cope with. She is cope up with her family. Cope up. Cooperate. Next, 16th one, fed up with. Most important word. The preposition with should used along the word fed up. Fed up with. She fed up with her boss. Next preposition, respond to. Please respond to my question. Example. Next, differ from. She's always differ from my issue, from my argument. Hinder from. Next preposition, infer from. Vote for. Vote for honesty party. Indifferent to. Stem from. Associated with. Deliver from. Next preposition, friends. Responsible for. Most important. We are the responsible for our India. We are the responsible citizens for our India. Accuse of. Aware of. Aware of dogs. Aware of the tissue. Many examples, friends. Next, most important, exempt from. It is exempted from that. Benefit from. And next we move on to the 31st. Superior to. My boss is superior to me. Example. Contribute to. Courage and confidence contribute to success. Contribute to. Two prepositions should come. Prevent from. poverty prevent from our country. See, prevent word should be used with the preposition from. Dedicated to. The soldiers dedicated to our country. Notorious. He is the notorious for crime. Notorious for. Spend on. She always used to spend on the luxurious goods. Spend on. Opposed to. Insist on. Consist of. Most important, friends, consist of. This book consists of 360 pages. Some more examples. Yes. Deprive of. Deprived of. Adapted to. Compatible with. Persist in. Susceptible to. Next example. Addicted to. He is addicted to alcohol. Example. Next we move on to the 46th one, friends. The most important preposition. Content. This bottle content with water. Example. Content. Content with. Blame for. Tend to. Ask for. Ask for a doubt. Equal to. So to should be used with the exact word equal. Equal to. It is equal to that. She is equal to me. Just like we can use equal to. And next preposition, short of. Ready for. We are ready for movie. Famous for. Taj Mahal famous for love. Succeed in. See the preposition. Succeed in. Next preposition, friends. Yield to. Distinguish from. Refrain from. Irrespective of. Deal with. I dealt with him. Involved in. She deeply involved in the matter. So like that we can use involved in preposition. Next we move on to the some other prepositions. Yes. 61st one. Contrary to. He is contrary to his period. Obliged to. Capable of. Composed of. Count on. Keen on. She is so keen on the tissue. Devote to. Account for. Next, friends. Dependent on. Devoid of. Prone to. Worry about. Emerge from. Next most important, friends. Fond of. Fond preposition. She is fond of music. Most important. And he is fond of Indian dishes. See, fond. That means most like. So she is fond of music. I am fond of drawing. In such a way, we can use these common prepositions along with the exact words, friends. Friends, I believe that this video is very much helpful to your daily English, enriches your spoken language as well as for your all competitive exams. So thank you very much friends. Catch you later in next video.